Okay, I'm here with the homeboy Rich, and we're in a bit of a sticky situation here. This is a galvy half-inch line for a clawfoot tub on the second floor, and I'll show you why it's kind of a sticky situation. So this is what that line is feeding right here. However, it appears that it's in concrete. So we're gonna cut it below and then try and pound that through the floor. But beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Placing an old brass one.
You got a good patcher?
Hole
patcher?
What do you mean?
To patch this hole?
Oh, you like a drywall guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Look at that galvy. That's completely blocked off. That ain't from you, man.
No.
That's that's just galvy corrosion. Wow. That is wild. They should, honestly, man, I mean...
Yeah, no.
That ain't from you, dude. Well, here, let me take the 90 off, and then we'll... The 90 off, it's a little bit better, but not much. Not much.
Let me see if we can...
Pound it through.
I was gonna do it.
As much as I can get it. There you go. There you go. Nice. Okay, let me go get a 90. This is the pipe coming out of the floor. Rich was trying to spin that sucker. That's crazy. It's really soft. Because this is probably original to the... That's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, I snapped the thing all the way. I snapped it all the way down.
It came out pretty easy though when we hammered it.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to give us more trouble.
I did too.
Lucky. Okay, so here's our next issue. Is we're pretty far off from the opening here. That's because this is a 2024 90 galvy. And the one that we just removed is probably a 19. I mean, look at the difference. That's crazy. The difference in sweep is really crazy, bro. I mean, look at the difference. Wow. All right. You think we can clean that out more? Or is that pretty much it? Those threads are not very good either. Well, so I'm gonna take this off then. All right. There you go. You got the old 1920s. We had to use it to line it up. Got a brass nipple and then some copper with the adapter on it. He's putting on the angle stop, then we're going to test. All right, so you want to turn the water on. Basement in California, something you don't see very often. Unless you're in Pasadena, South Pasadena. Which, that's where we are. Will it leak? I do not think so. I do not think so. No leaks down here. Nice. I don't see any leaks down there.
Cool.
Does it work?
Yeah, it works.
Nice. Compression?
Yeah.
That is just beautiful. The handles feel so smooth.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. I love that, bro. That is really... Where'd you get that, Ferguson?
No, she got it at,
Wow.
no, I'm not sure.
That is beautiful. Wow. Issues over here? Or... Look at all the galvy debris coming out, dude. Look at that. Did you do... Oh, you did this too?
Yeah.
That looks amazing. That really looks good. Can you rotate the hot and cold, or did you have to make sure it was... that this was centered when you did it?
Oh, I put the bodies on, tighten them up, and then I put the handles on and just move it to where I need it.
I got you. It's really nice.